How to request money on Revolut. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can request money on Revolut. So to do that, first of all, launch the Revolut app on your mobile device and then simply log into your account. Now once you've logged in, your home page will look somewhat like this, where in order to request money, you'll have to first of all go to the transfer tab, which is on the bottom side of your screen. After that, if you already have a recipient setup, you can simply tap on them, but if you don't, tap on the plus or new option on the top right corner of your screen and you can add a new recipient. Now once you've created a new recipient, you can simply tap on their profile and then you will be taken to the messages page, where you can simply tap on the option request, and then you can simply select the currency and the amount you'd like to request, and if you want, you can also add a note. And once you've done all of those, once you tap on the option request, you'll have successfully requested money on Revolut. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.